Many candidates ask me, do you offer packages? Packages mean a basic salary with other perks thrown in as well. Short answer, no. We don't offer packages. If you are interested in joining the financial industry, surely it makes sense to join an agency with a package, right? After all, you will get job security and stable income for 2 to 4 years, depending on the terms of the package. Those things may seem good on paper, but in reality, they can actually harm your career because they'll lure you into a comfort zone. You will be treated as a regular employee. Highly likely, you will not be pushing yourself as hard. Worst of all, those packages are valid for 2 to 4 years, mostly. After that, you will be left to fend for yourself. In my 25 years in this advisory business, I have seen many consultants quit the industry because they could not survive without the package. In other words, they wasted 2 to 4 years of their life. So why bother joining the industry in the first place? That is why we don't give packages. We want our consultants to be on the right foot, to be independent, to be motivated, to be driven. That is how we achieve longevity in the business. At 7 Capitalists, we are not here to play games or try things out or see how it goes. We only want winners with the right success mindset, and that means stepping out of your comfort zone to strive for perpetual success, both in terms of income and personal achievement. Hope that this answers your questions of why we don't offer packages. To me, that safety net will hinder your progress. If you agree, feel free to click the border around this video and fill in your details to find out more about joining 7 Capitalists. Talk soon!